So I haven't been vlogging for quite a while now. I don't really understand why not. I'm thinking if I've lost interest in doing this stuff on YouTube, or if I lost stuff to say, run out of things to say. But I don't think so. I think I'm going to have to ask a few experts on this field as to why I haven't been vlogging too much. Okay, thanks for being here. I just wanted to ask you if you had any opinion as to why I haven't been vlogging too much lately. What? What? Am I boring you? Hmm? Am I boring you? Hmm? Let me ask the other one. Okay, so what do you think? What's your opinion about the state of vlogging of Komikero? No? Nothing? That's the answer, YouTube. That's the answer. I'm boring.